In today's video, I'm going to get your wheels turning. At Chatbase, we've added a ton of new features, building the most powerful no-code custom chatbot builder there is. As we're making Chatbase more powerful, we're always discovering new and interesting ways that people are using Chatbase to power their life and businesses. So this video is going to explore 5 different kinds of chatbots that you can build with Chatbase. These only take a few minutes to create, they require no code, and you can use them anywhere. And they're smart, running on your choice of available top AI models. You can use ChatGPT 4.0, Claude Sonnet 3.5, and even Google Gemini 1.5 Pro. They're really fast and they can automate your business, clone your personality, and even sell your users on your products or services. Make sure you sign up for free to follow along at chatbase.co. All right, let's dive into the top 5 use cases for a custom Chatbase chatbot. So first on my list here is a customer support chatbot. This is where most people start, and with Chatbase, it's particularly powerful. With our new integrations, you can take the chatbot that you built in just a few minutes and connect it to not only your website, but also WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. This chatbot can serve your customers across all of these platforms, and then you can monitor the chats all from inside the Chatbase platform. This is amazing. The responses are extremely fast, and I promise your customers will enjoy interacting with the chatbot because customers like getting answers to their questions extremely fast, even if it's from a chatbot. Number 2, personal assistant clone. Now, not everybody needs a customer support chatbot. I understand. So the next option is something that everyone can use. Do you have notes or a journal? Or maybe you have a lot of recipes saved. Whatever you write or collect can be put into action with a custom chatbot. This is a real second brain. Hook Chatbase up to your Notion and training couldn't be easier. If you don't have Notion, you can train your chatbot on just some simple text files. Either way, you can feed it all of your data and then it knows everything about you. Get answers, get feedback, or even use the data you fed it to create new things. It's incredibly smart and now it knows everything you know. So the limit is really just your imagination. Number 3, work knowledge base wizard. Chatbase has a Slack integration. So if you and your team use Slack to communicate, you can now also communicate with your chatbot right inside of Slack. This is amazing. Get answers inside of Slack as you're communicating with your team from your knowledge base without having to leave Slack. Triggering the chatbot is super easy and the responses are nearly instant. Your chatbot will synthesize answers from your training data and apply them to your current problems. Used correctly, this can make you so much more productive. Number 4, sales agent. Okay, so you built a landing page. You have something to sell, but your website traffic has questions, unique questions that a help page can't answer. Luckily, this sales agent is waiting ready to save the day. It even collects their email address. But after that, it drives the user deeper into your sales funnel, linking them directly to products or services on your website. It's an expert in sales and knows exactly what to say to get the conversion. Just imagine, it has access to all of the sales psychology books that you never actually read and applies it to the chat conversations with your leads. Number 5, language translator. Okay, so the internet has massively broadened the scope of people that you can reach around the world. And people around the world speak all kinds of languages. So now with Chatbase, you can connect with anyone by directing them to your custom language translator. Your custom chatbot will take your information, no matter what language it is in, and then translate it into over 90 different languages, educating your users, customers, clients, etc. in their native language. This is amazing and incredibly accurate. You can reach more people, build relationships without dealing with any language barriers. All right, guys, there you have it. How do you use Chatbase? Are these ideas helpful? If so, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you create an account for free at chatbase.co. And if you want a step-by-step guide that shows you how to build a custom chatbot, then watch this video. And if you want a full walkthrough of Chatbase, the software, then watch this video. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.